Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today it's time for my Bangkok fashion haul and I have a lot of things to show you. So today's haul got just a couple of accessories, bags, one ring and a few small things like socks and all. And then after that I have a big pile of tops and t-shirts. And most of this was basically street shopping. So I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. It's absolutely safe to say that 80% of things in this haul are going to have like cats on them. Because I'm a crazy cat lady, I don't even hide it. And I think even Thai people like have a big cat obsession just like Japanese people. That makes me happy. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the thing that I'm most excited about, which is this beautiful ring. A lot of you guys must have already seen my black and white cat ring on Instagram. I bought it last year and it's from the same brand called Good After 9. I purchased it because it looked a lot like my black and white middle cat. This is the one that I've already had. It's basically brass. Like when I first bought it, I thought it was ceramic, but it's not ceramic, it's glazed enamel. I came across their stall again this time. I had a look at it again and I was really excited. I decided I should purchase another piece that looks like any of my other two cats, and in the end I found this beautiful, I don't know what shade you would call this, like a brown tabby cat ring that looks like my youngest little girl cat. It's just gorgeous. It really looks a lot like her. It's not exactly identical, but we see the resemblance. This ring was actually significantly pricier than the black and white one because all of the detailing on these rings are hand painted, and the black and white one, it's just like black and white, so it has not much details. But here you can see there's a lot of little individual fur detailing that they had to paint on, so because of that this was more expensive. But since I was really happy with the first ring, I said I can justify the price of this. Even if you're not coming to Thailand but you really like their stuff, you can check out their website and they ship internationally. But obviously if you get to see these things in person, you'll just see how beautiful they are. The next purchase I have is a little cloth purse or bag from this brand called Naraya, which you'll see all around Bangkok. Actually, they have quite a lot of stores. They are a chain. So I've been seeing their store from the outside for a while because it's really close to the hostel where we always stay at, but I never went in. So this time I was also with a friend. She wanted to go in and I went in. I was pretty surprised to see like the stuff they had. They had some cute bags and accessories like doorknob covers and oven mitts. Almost everything is made of cloth and it's quite affordable. So the thing that attracted me the most, even when I was looking from the window, were their satin line of bags, and in the end I ended up purchasing this one. It's just like a simplish, smallish cloth bag with shiny satin fabric. They had this in a lot of different colors. This is just like a dark grey brown shade. When they gave it to me, it was just packed flat in this tiny little thing. So I can take out this base and this very neatly fold the whole thing down and pack it flat, something like this. It doesn't take up that much space. Inside there aren't any pockets, it's just one big bag and it's got a velcro to fasten it shut. I'm not so much of a bag person, but this was something different. It's not bulky, it's not heavy, it was not too expensive also. So they also have all different sizes, right, from tiny little coin purses to larger duffel bags and everything in between. Next, this is another bag that I bought from the Asiatic night market. I have vlogged my visit to the two night markets. I did quite a lot of shopping there. So this was another bag from this brand called Vavoom. Yes, Vavoom. And it really caught my eye. This is also a small little simple bag that can be flat packed. They had a lot of prints, but this one caught my eye the most because it's bright and fun and there's junk food on it. There's a soft drink, there's fries, there's tomatoes, there's plastic straws. Open up the bag, it's got one magnetic button and it's got a little chain here. So it's actually got pockets on like two sides. There's one pocket here and there's one pocket here. I wouldn't use this pocket though, because when you're opening it up, stuff might fall out. So then it's just one small pocket here. You cannot put much in here because it's a small flat bag, but a pair of sunglasses, some money in a purse, and your cell phone, and a power bank, and your basic makeup like a powder compact and a lipstick, that would fit. So that's enough for me. And the chain makes it handy to carry. I think it looks good. Cute bag. It's another thing that I picked up from a little stall outside a mall were 4 pairs of sneaker socks. I am not a sock person and I hate wearing socks. They make your feet feel all cooped up. And also I don't like how they look when they stick out of shoes. So if you're like me with that second point and you don't like how socks look, you guys should get sneaker socks. In Bombay, I know that you can get them at H&M and all, but they're a little more expensive there. These are pretty cheap. So the whole point of sneaker socks is they're really low. They're lower than ankle socks. So they're not visible when you have sneakers on. They just cover your feet and they don't stick out or are visible. And they're nice. So I picked up a few fun colors. I mean, this one's dark grey, so these color combinations are fun. These also, these are cute. And you know, you're always going to need these. I wear sneakers all the time. The next thing that I bought, this is also from Asiatic Night Market. I purchased a bikini. So there are a lot of these little shops that have swimwear. I ignored most of them, but this shop looked kind of cute. So I bought this bikini. There were lots of different colors and prints and styles. And in the end, I went with this bikini. The only thing is you can't try out the bikinis there. Like, they don't have any trial room or anything. So you just need to guess and pick up. Most of these, they say that they're pretty free size, but they're not really that free size. They'll fit someone my size. They'll fit someone little thinner than me. They'll fit someone little fatter than me. But there's not much of a range if you're really plus sized or something. So they had stuff that was really skimpy also, like tiny triangle bikinis. They also had very covered up pieces. The prices were not bad, not super cheap, but not expensive. So this is the top of the bikini. It's kind of confusing. These are the cups in the front, obviously. There's a little padding inside. You can take out the padding if you want, but I prefer to keep it on so that your nipples aren't showing through the top. And you're supposed to fold this over the front and then tie it at the back. So it took me a while to figure out, even when I was trying it on when we came back, but it works. The reason I picked this particular swimsuit is I like the bottom. I don't like how swim bottoms are like so skimpy and they show off so much of your buttocks. Most of the time, that makes me more uncomfortable. I don't know, it just I don't feel right. So I picked these up. These give you slightly more coverage. They look like shorts, but they fit like a high waist top. The color is fun and I decided, so what if I can't swim? Another bikini can't hurt, right? That's my logic. Now we've finished everything else. It's onto this really huge pile of t-shirts. This must be a few kilos, no? I really like each and every one of them. The first t-shirt was the first one that I picked up on this trip to Bangkok. It's just a plain white t-shirt and it's got a cat on it. This is not just any cat. This is a maneki neko, which is a Japanese, I think, money cat. You'll see a lot of maneki nekos in Bangkok also. Sometimes they move, sometimes they are just plain statues. And they have one hand up. Now here it's the right hand, but it can be the left hand also. So one hand will be up. And if it's a moving statue, the hand will move like this. So you generally face this little statue towards the entrance of your shop or your home, and it's a money cat or a wealth cat, so it calls money in. So it's like a little talisman to get you. I am not in the least bit superstitious, but I just love cats, so I go crazy every time I say maneki neko. I also picked up this small little porcelain figurine. Like, how cute is this? This is so cute. And there's not just one cat here, there are two, okay? This is one cat and there's a little black kitten on his head. I picked this up at Daiso and this doesn't really fit into the rest of the fashion haul, but since I got a maneki neko t-shirt, I wanted to show you my little porcelain maneki neko. So adorable. I already have 2 maneki nekos at home, purchased from Bangkok last time. So now I have another one. This is adorable. And I generally never buy white t-shirts, but I could not resist this design at all. This is another t-shirt that I picked up from this stall in the Asiatic night market. Funny thing about this is the print is only in the front, it's not in the back, and the print is even on the inside, like here, the collar. So I guess when they were getting it printed, they just kept the t-shirt like this. I don't like the fabric of this t-shirt as much as the others because it's that synthetic slippery fabric. Most of the others are soft cotton, but again, I couldn't resist the design at all. And this cat here, this little guy, looks exactly like Thelma, my eldest cat. He's also so happy and cute. This cat is happy and cute. So I had to buy this. This shop had sizes, like 2 sizes for everything. There was just small, medium and medium large, I think. So this is small, medium. These are not tops. Oh, these are actually just shorts. These my mum saw and picked up for me. Bombay gets hot, so I don't like wearing full length pajamas in summer. I just like wearing some comfy shorts whenever I'm at home. This is just a black color pair of shorts, and there are like random face features, like there's an eye, lips, there's ice cream, hi. It's a bit absurd, whatever. It looked cute. This one is Mickey Mouse themed shorts, and it's just got like Mickey heads and all on it. Oh, this one is actually very thin. It's thinner than the other one. But it's going to be fine for summer, and it's going to be fine in the house. I'm not going to wear these and step out anywhere. These are just like pajamas. The third one has Pusheen on it. Now you guys might recognize Pusheen. He's not just any cat. He has his own Facebook Messenger stickers, and he's a very famous cat. You must have seen the memes. So it's got Pusheen on it, and it's got like all different food like ice cream and donuts. For some reason he's inside the donut, and it's very cute. Now we go back on track to all of the t-shirts. So here are 2 t-shirts we picked up from one stall. Now the problem with picking up clothes in Bangkok is most of them are on the smaller size. So if you are even a little heavier, you won't fit into the t-shirts. But this stall actually had oversized t-shirts. Like everything is super loose, so it would even fit slightly bigger sizes. And this is at Ratchada Night Market. So I think everything else that I'm going to show you is from Ratchada Night Market, which is my favorite. And they have so many nice clothes there. Now what I like about Ratchada Night Market is that most of the times the prices are mentioned already on the stall, and they're already really reasonable prices, so you don't have to worry about further bargaining. If your haggling skills are not good, you can go there. You don't have to argue with them. There are already prices marked, and you just pay them their prices and take their stuff. Each stall has something really unique. Each stall has their own little brand name and their own little theme, and everything here is made in Thailand. It's not the generic clothing that comes from China. It's all unique stuff. So I'll show you. The first stall, we got these 2 oversized t-shirts, and these are very soft fabric. I thought they would be perfect for summer. The first one is actually about summer. It says, yes, it's summer. And I guess these people are excited that it's summer because it looks like it, but also their underarms are really sweaty because that comes with summer. My mom just pointed out that this is a guy, I guess, called short hair, and this is a girl called long hair, and the girl is more unhappy. I am that unhappy girl. Summer is never pleasant in a hot tropical country, but we make do. I am not looking forward to under boob sweat. That's my least favorite part about summer. When I was skinny, I never experienced under boob sweat, okay? That sweat that sort of gathers just underneath your breasts. I never had that, so I was very happy. Then when I gained weight, I started experiencing that, and that's like the worst. Ladies, how do you deal with that? I try wearing unpadded bras, just light cotton ones and all, but it's still really annoying. That's one of the things that bothers me the most. They should have put under boob sweat on this also, like little lines here. That would have been accurate. Okay, enough of summer rants. Now we'll go on to something cute. This is another soft oversized t-shirt with Moomin on it. If you're unaware of the Moomin, they are these cute family like characters, I think they're Scandinavian, so they're either from Sweden or Finland, but they are a really big thing in East Asia and Southeast Asia. Bangkok even has a Moomin cafe. I've shown the Moomin cafe in a vlog, so you can watch that by clicking the I on the upper right of this video. I've also done a blog post on the Moomin cafe. I think Mum likes Moomin little more than me. Don't you, Mum?
Yes, I do.
They're very cute. I had to pick up the Moomin t-shirt when I saw it. There are 3 things from this little brand called Glamour Puss, also at Rajada Night Market. 2 in my hand, and I'm already wearing one of the things. Now, I already had purchased a top from this stall called Glamour Puss, and I just recently put up pictures wearing it on Instagram. I bought it last year. So they have all clothing in their stall with cats on it. All of their clothing also uses this ribbed fabric like the one I'm wearing now also. So I guess it's better for little cooler months. Maybe I won't wear these in summer because they are a bit heavier, though they're short sleeve. But maybe in monsoon when it gets cold, or maybe if I travel to a cooler place, or I'll just have to wait for winter. The one I'm wearing is like a plain maroonish top, and it's got a happy embroidered cat face on the pocket. Here I have a grey top, and it's got 2 embroidered cats in the middle. And this one is sort of a peachy nude top with a cute little grumpy cat sticking out of the pocket. We are down to the final 2 things of this clothing haul. These are also from Rajada Night Market. This stall was called House of Tea. They are also both cat themed. Surprise, surprise. So this is a white color t-shirt, and it's got like all different kinds of cats on it. They are straight, they're upside down, they're happy and sad, and they're so adorable. I was not too happy again that the t-shirt was white, but there's a lot of like colored print going on, so it shouldn't be a big deal. And the next t-shirt also is similar in a way that it's got a lot of cat faces on it, and some of them are straight, but some of them are also upside down, heavily populated with cats. So I am pretty happy with everything that I picked up this time in Bangkok. I think this is the most clothing shopping that I've done on one trip, because I always say that I never want to buy clothing when I come to Bangkok. I've never gone to Platinum Mall, but here when we went to night markets and we were walking around, we saw some cute things and I couldn't resist. And these did not break the bank at all also, especially these t-shirts. And I have a nice fun little new wardrobe. I think I'm going to be wearing a lot of these when I get back to Bombay. If you liked this haul, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on beauty, fashion, travel, lifestyle and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.